Hi, Cheryl here from ENJO. Just a quick video to show you how you can clean your TV stand with ENJO. So I've got my living zone here and I'm just going to take my dust glove and I'm just going to pick up all that dust and any crumbs that's lying on the unit. And then I'm going to take my blue fibre and just with some cold water I'm going to clean. So you'll see all that just trapped in the glove there. And as you can see, it's pretty grubby with some stuck on food and things from toddler snack. So just with my cold water, I'm just going to give it a quick wipe with the strong fibre. I'm not needing to scrub to get that off, it's just lifting it all with ease. And this zone is amazing if you've got kids. I absolutely love mine. It'll dust all around your home and it'll clean all your hard surfaces and things in your bedrooms, the office, the living areas. Great for the inside of the car and really good for having in the caravan as well. So I'm just going to take my ENJO fill and I'm just going to dry it to lift away that excess water. You'll see here I'm not having to battle with streaks or anything. I'm just lifting the water and what is there will just evaporate away. It really is that quick and that easy.